configured and managed system logging using Rsyslog for centralized log collection and monitoring, implemented local and remote log forwarding to enhance system visibility and troubleshooting efficiency. Syslog is a standard logging system used to collect, store, and manage system and application logs on Linux and network devices. Setting up Syslog involves installing and configuring the Rsyslog service, which records local logs and can also send them to a remote log server for centralized monitoring. Thank you for your interest.